Hello my dear students, myself Dr. D.K. Sharma, and today we are just going to learn about Grignard Reagent, the most important organic synthetic tool in the case of organic chemistry. A lot of organic compounds can be prepared with the help of Grignard reagents. Grignard is the name of the scientist who actually suggested this type of reagents. By the application of this reagent, we can prepare actual alkanes like alcohols, carboxylic acid, and aldehyde, like so on. It's very useful to actually suggest the actually preparations or suggest the new organic compounds. With the help of Grignard reagents, we can actually increase the number of carbon compounds in the products, like so on. Let us see first, we should know what is actually Grignard reagent itself. Actually, this is RMGX. RMGX. Where this R is alkyl group, it is alkyl group, and this X is halogen. Its name is alkyl magnesium halide. It is alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. X may be either fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like so on. It is the CH3 alkyl groups. Mg is electropositive metal. It belongs to second group of the periodic table. The most electronegative in comparison of this X and this R, like so on. It is also known as organometallic compound because there is a single sigma bond in between the carbon and the magnesium, and such compounds are known as organometallic compound जो 12 पढ़ोगे कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री में. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं आगे भी? organometallic compound. Such compounds should contain at least one metal carbon bond. There must be an actual bond, sigma bond, like in between magnesium and this R. This alkyl magnesium halide hai. This R may be as alkyl group or phenyl group in the case of aromatic compounds. Like the same CH3, it's methyl group. It's magnesium, it's bromine. Its name is methyl magnesium bromide. It's a methyl magnesium bromide. Methyl magnesium bromide. We can change the actual type of alkyl groups and type of halogen here. In the case of this phenyl group, it is phenyl magnesium bromide. It's very clear there is sigma bond between this carbon and this magnesium. There is a single sigma bond between this magnesium, this carbon of the benzene ring. ऐसे कंपाउंड जिसमें कम से कम एक कार्बन और मैग्नीशियम के बीच में बॉन्ड होगा इसको ऑर्गेनोमेटेलिक कहते हैं. और भी है जैसे डाइथाइल जिंक होंगे, ये सब भी हैं, उसकी चर्चा में नहीं कर सकते हैं. वी आर फोकस्ड ओनली ऑन ग्रिग्नार्ड रेजेंट्स हियर. ठीक है. And actually it is very applicable in case of preparation lot of actual organic compounds here. Now come to its preparation. Rx, it's alkyl halide, it's magnesium metal, and it is going to be heated in presence of dry ether. It becomes RMGX. It is our Grignard reagent, RMGX. जैसे हम ये कह दें CH3 CH2 Cl plus Mg. It is going to be warm in presence of dry ether. We will get CH3 CH2 MgCl. Its name will be ethyl magnesium chloride. ठीक है. Now come to its actual application. In case of preparation of alkane, ठीक है. Actual alkanes can be prepared by the hydrolysis of actually Grignard reagent. It is RMGX plus HOH, which H2 is here. We'll get RH alkane plus magnesium hydroxy halide. ये कह दो इट्स alkane. Its name is magnesium hydroxy halide. For example, if you take CH3 methyl magnesium bromide and after its hydrolysis we will get CH4 plus MgOH Br. It's methane, it's magnesium hydroxy bromide. Actually now come to the mechanism, how it is going to possible. Simply actually we are discussing here out of several applications of Grignard reagent, how can you prepare alkanes with the help of Grignard reagent. Just actually it is clear here that by the hydrolysis of Grignard reagent we can get alkanes like so on. By changing this R, actually this R can be changed. If we will try to actually form ethane here C2H6, it must be C2H5 here. जो R है वही चेंज होता है, जो R होगा इसमें कार्बन वही कार्बन होंगे. Simply it is RMGX ये दो ये RMG प्लस X माइनस. ये जो R होगा लाइक ये डेल्टा प्लस डेल्टा माइनस लाइक ये कार्बन आयन ट्रीट होता है. अगेन दिस R Mg प्लस R minus plus Mg plus 2. Now this R minus plus HOH, you'll get RH plus OH minus. Now come to this Mg plus 2 plus OH minus plus X minus, you will get MgOH X. This is the normal mechanism of the hydrolysis of alkane here. With this actually R is acting like a carbon ion. Carbon ion. Now next point, in the preparation of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols can be prepared by using Grignard reagent here. पेज चेंज कर ले क्या पेज चेंज अच्छा रहेगा. In the case of preparation of alcohols, primary, secondary, and tertiary, all types of alcohols can be prepared with the help of Grignard Reagent. So it is very useful for the synthesis. By using actually epoxides, we can prepare primary alcohol. If you use formaldehyde followed by the hydrolysis, you will get primary alcohol. In case of acetaldehyde, you will get secondary alcohol. In case of acetones, we will get tertiary alcohol. So it's very useful. Actually, in case of organic, a lot of actual questions can be framed with the help of the interconnection of the concept of the topics. When we are talking about the application of Grignard Reagent, it's the property Grignard Reagent. But actually, with the help of we are going to prepare alcohols, in the case of preparation alcohols. In case of aldehydes, ketone, we are going to use, actually it is also actually it will be discussed at the time of carbonyl compounds too. Let us see first in case of CH2, it's epoxides. It's a cyclic ether and is known as oxirane. Epoxide or oxirane बोलते हैं. Oxirane या epoxide या फिर इथिलीन ऑक्साइड प्लस RmGX डेल्टा माइनस डेल्टा प्लस delta minus delta plus. Now we'll get this R minuses will come here. RCH2 OMGX. Now after its hydrolysis, we'll get CH2OH plus MgOHX. It's primary alcohol. Not only that, by simply using this molecule, we are going to increase two number of carbon atoms here. If it is CH3, you will get propyl alcohol. If it is C2H5, you will get butyl alcohol. Primary alcohol can be prepared by using epoxides. The second case, formaldehyde. It's formaldehyde plus RmGX. After hydrolysis, we will get primary alcohol. How it is possible? Try to concentrate on the blackboard. It's formaldehyde it is RmGX delta plus delta minus. It is more electronegative oxygen is here, delta minus delta plus is here. You will get H, hydrogen is here, carbon is here, OMGX here, and this is R is here. After hydrolysis, you will get RCH2 OH plus MgOH(X). It's a kind of primary alcohol. In all the cases, we are trying our best to increase the number of carbon atom in the product molecule. If there is one R, one carbon, two carbon is here. Now in case of third case, if you look actually acetaldehyde minus the formaldehyde, you will get second D alcohol. It's second D alcohol. It's second D alcohol. In case of ketone, oxygen being more electronegative, the shifting of pi bonds here, it will acquire partial negative charge, it will acquire partial positive charge. Electron deficient is electron rich. Delta plus, delta minus. Now come to the point. It's tertiary alcohol. It's tertiary alcohol. Now it is very clear, it's very important synthetic reagent in the case of organic chemistry. Actually, from alcohol we can actually prepare a lot of organic compounds here. In case of last one is actually preparation of carboxylic acid. It is carbon dioxide. It is carbon dioxide, RMgX. Delta plus is here, delta minus is here, and this is delta minus, it is delta plus. You will get R C double bond O, OMgX, and after hydrolysis you will get R C double bond O, OH plus MgOH X. It is carboxylic acid. So आप देख रहे हो कि actually by using Grignard reagent several varieties of compounds can be obtained. फिर हम अल्कोहल से, एसिड से सारे कंपाउंड बनाते चले जाते हैं. So it's very useful in our organic chemistry for the point of synthesis, and a lot of example, lot of questions are going to frame in case of Neet, in case of Cbse, in IIT 2, actually on the basis of Grignard reagent. Actually in case of books, in case of teaching क्या है, it actually these are experiments on the several places. I have tried my best to actually assemble at only one place to actually know the application of Grignard reagent at only one place for your benefit. इन केस ऑफ साइनाइड्स देख लो यहाँ पे, इट इज HCl, हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड प्लस RMgX, डेल्टा प्लस डेल्टा माइनस, nitrogen more electronegative than carbon because actually both belongs to the same period and period table, but actually the atomic number of carbon is 6, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. Actually nitrogen more electronegative than carbon, so you will get HC double bond N, और क्या देखिए N नेगेटिव है तो MgX, और ये नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव कहाँ जाएगा, दिस R will be here. Now after hydrolysis, now we'll get HCr double bond NH minus MgOHX. Again after hydrolysis, this H plus and OH minus. ठीक है, फाइनली क्या देखिए यहाँ पे, ये फाइनली H2O निकल जाएगा यहाँ पे फाइनली, like so on, NH2, I think NH2 is here, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, देखो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, देखो कार्बन इज टेट्रावेलेंट, नाइट्रोजन ट्राइवेलेंट है, again H2O, I think it should be like this, OH2 minus ammonia, and you will get acetaldehyde. If you will change R is here, by replace H by R, you will get ketone. So aldehydes and ketones can also be prepared by using Grignard reagent here, and lot of examples can be found next. ठीक है टाइम है.